Hello everyone, I'm Advocate Akhil Solanki, associate with Dialezee. So in this video we're going to discuss about the PCSO. So as we all know that the government has introduced a unique legislation, the PCSO Act 2012, to address sexual assault and child exploitation. The aforementioned act punishes all recognized cases of sexual abuse of minors severely while taking the seriousness of offence into consideration. To guarantee that justice is upheld, the act is being implemented in a different way. The sufferer must undergo the medical examination with the least amount of discomfort. And the PCSO Amendment Act 2019 was passed to strengthen penalties all the way up to the death sentence and to stop the use of child pornography. So, unfortunately, the modification appears arbitrary and ambiguous. The categorization that is unjustified and in violation of Article 14 of the Constitution is provided by Section 4.2 of PCSO Act, which was added by the PCSO Amendment Act 2019. So, two requirements must be met in order to pass the test of permitted categorization, namely 1. The categorization must be based on an understandable difference that separates those in the group from those who are excluded, and that there must be a logical connection between the differentia and the goals that the act aspires to accomplish. So there must be a link between the differences that form the basis for the categorization and the purpose of the act because they are distinct. So in instances the followed that dealt with the question of breach of Article 14, the court restated and implemented and the standard of the Honorable Court established in the Anwar Ali Sarkar case in DS Nakara vs Union of India. The court ruled that the distinction between pensioners who retired before a certain date and those who retired after the date was irrational, and that the distinction should not have been imposed. As consequences, Rule 34 of Central Service Regulation was annulled because it violated Article 14 of the Constitution. So even if the legislation is effective and good, loopholes can still be made. The PCSO Act is a comprehensive piece of legislation designed to safeguard children against exploitation and sexual abuse. Thank you. See you next video with some more information.